Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I've got a challenge lock sent to me by Broke Picks. This one here is called Hyper Tough or Tough Hyper, but I think it's called Hyper Tough. It is an SC1 key and knob kick cylinder, 5-pin. I'm not sure of the maker. Let's stick this in here and let's get busy. Let's see what we got going on in here. Okay, so far so good. Oh, alrighty then. That is Hyper Tough. We might as well gut it and see what's inside. Alright, so that is open. I don't know who made that, but that was great feedback though. Fun lock. Not gonna lie, not too difficult. You know what? I like a nice fun easy one every now and then. You know why? Those hard ones are always busting my balls. You know what? I better shim this. Hold on a second. I don't want that to fall out. No, I've got some new shims that whoa, calm down. I've got some new shim stock that I have not even used yet. These are just so beautiful. I'm gonna use one on this. Okay. There we go. Really having a hard time. There we go. Alright, had to. Wow, this guy. You know what we're gonna have to do? We're gonna have to pull a. Oh, I don't like doing this. What was holding that up? Wow, we got really lucky. We'll try to shim that on the reassembly. We're gonna have to definitely shim that. All right, hold on. Let me set this in a plug holder for a second here. Now that's kind of bugging me. Wow, there's something. You know what? Let's see if we can shim it through the front. Not that we need to right now, but when I go to put this back together, I am. There we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, it didn't want to shim from the back, so you know what? We're going to shim you from the front, bud. Okay. Guess we're not using you, buddy. I wanted to use my cool light up follower. I got bad eyes. All right, here we go. Back to it. we got here? Where's my tweezers? We got, we got 1 standard, 4 standard, 3 standard, 2 standard, 5 standard. Clean plug. I want that underneath there. Get out of there. Okay. Now, we don't need this now, but I'm going to shim it from the front when it's time to reassemble. Alright, so we're going to go from the back. We're going to start at, there is no 6, so we are going to start at 5. So bypass 6, 5. Ooh. Oh wow, nice spool. Nice spool in number 5 there. What? Is that hollow? Hold on a second here. It is. That's wild. So, if you guys can see that or not, hold on, let me get up so you can see it. Ugh. So it's hollow inside there. Huh. Cool. Spring is copper or brass. I believe that's brass. Number 4 is absolutely funky. That is a funky serrated pyramid type of deal going on there. I'll show you a close-up. You got a different kind of spring here, or just a better spring. This spring here looks pretty crunchy and compressed. I'll add another spring in here. I won't replace it in case that's how you had it, but I'll add another spring in this when I send it out in case it's not supposed to be like that. And if the maker, if you're watching this, if you want this spring exchanged out, swapped out, you can let me know. What is that? That is fucking cool. I'm gonna show you a close-up on these guys. These, I don't know what the fuck that is. That is pretty fucking cool though. Another spring. Let's go to number 1 now. That little fucker flew out. Yeah, that's right. Which way was he? Was it this way? I'm trying to think when I took that off. No, it was the other way. Okay. Okay, so we have, okay, again, it's hollow at the base. It's hollow at the base. This has a nice tip on it. I'm gonna have to show you this, guys. This is wild, wild, wild shit. This also has a bit of a hollow bottom. Oh, sorry, that was number 1. My apologies. Spring, and then number 2. Last but not least. Again, I don't know what that is. Like a double spool? Alright, so go. Nothing in the Bible either. Bible is clean. Alright, but I am going to bring this up to the camera for you guys and show you, because some of this is pretty fucking badass, actually. As easy as it was to open, I can't lie, some of this shit's pretty badass. So, key pins 1 through 5, standard. Driver 1, like a pyramid, pointed pyramid, hollow bottom. Like a double spool, or maybe a, I don't know what that is. I have no idea. Here guys, I don't know what this is either. Number 3, check this out. It's got a hollow bottom. We got some serrated business, like a serrated Christmas tree almost. And then we got this fucker with a hollow bottom. It's just some wild shit. Great job, whoever made this. Great job. Oh, there you have it. Hyper Tough Challenge Lock has been picked and gutted. That's all I got for you guys this time. Till next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. Catch you later. Ciao.